What's Pop Roller Gang family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You hear me?
What's up, Overweight Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, y'all. So this is when trucking get interesting. First, let me say this. I'm in West Wego, Louisiana. Yes, it's a little small town outside of New Orleans and all that. But this is the craziest stuff. You see that sign right there? That sign clearly says no truck route, 5-ton limit. You come over here, signs say the same thing. Signs say the same thing. The issue is, this is where I deliver to right here. JMN Specialist. Shipping and receiving on this side. So how can I have a delivery on a, and then you see it's a sign right there next to that truck. It say no truck route. Like, I'm so confused. I don't know how I'm gonna get in there, cause it ain't a lot of space to bag in there at all, to be honest. I don't know how I'm gonna get turned around, but this is exactly where I gotta deliver to. So let me just give y'all a little quick fast forward. I mean, a quick rewind to how I got this load and when it started yesterday. Rolly. So we did end up finding a load this morning. I ended up getting some fuel. I was just gonna literally dead hit 400 miles from Fort Worth to like Port Allen, Baton Rouge area. But then as I was getting fuel, I was just looking at the load board, and there was a load here in Tyler, Texas that we picking up right now that just literally popped up. So within a minute, I grabbed it. It don't pay much. I only paid $1,400, but that's better than me dead hit because all the other loads didn't work out. So right now we getting loaded up. This load is going to West Wego, Louisiana. Pay like $14.25 or something like that. See, what I don't want to happen is for the top part to fall off. So I'm about to just strap up the top part and go from there. All right, so now that y'all see that, I don't know, man. Yeah, this is really light load. So this load is under 5 tons, but with the truck and trailer, I don't think that's under 5 tons. But we're gonna deliver this load somehow. We're gonna get our butt up out of here, get back to a safe place, man, and keep it moving. Cause this right here is not up what I want to do. So it's 7:49 right now. Gotta check in at 8. That's when they get here. So once they get here, man, we gonna figure this out, man. But this where we deliver to. This where we deliver to right here. Shipping and receiving, JMN Specialist. So I don't know, man. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Right here. You see that? JMN Specialties, 1100 Victory Drive. So yeah, this is where we gotta deliver to, man. Oh, okay, so they got a little loading dock type thing back there. They open up at 8, like I said. Well, it's 8 o'clock right now, so they should be opening the gate and letting people in. Yeah, I seen what I had back there already, so it should be a pretty quick unload. It's just empty totes. I guess they're gonna put some chemicals or something in there for them. But I don't know, it's 8 o'clock. Where y'all at? It's 8 o'clock. Where it is? Time is money, time is money. I gotta pick up another load, and then I gotta figure out how to get the heck up out of here. Cause I know obviously I can't go down that street, so I don't know. We gonna see. How you doing?
Good.
You toast?
Empty toast.
Yeah.
Alright, how many you got?
I think it's like,
Full truckload?
no.
60?
Nah, it's like, it look like it's like 20 back there.
Sorry?
It look like it's only about 20 back there.
This one says 60 pieces. 60 pieces what it shows right here. Probably have to back up to that ramp right there. He's only getting one tote tank,
Okay.
so I have him out the way pretty quick.
Okay.
And then you back up to that ramp, we'll get you off of it.
Alright, so I'm not gonna even lie. This whole load is screwy. So, if you look at this right here, this, the rate kind that they sent me said that it's only 20 pieces. And that's what's back there. It's literally 20 pieces back there. But on these bills, like dude just said, it's 60. But it ain't 60, it's only 20. So, freak. I guess that's gonna be on me then. I don't know, man. I'm about to call the agent and we gonna see what she says. How you doing? Yeah, I just emailed you the load I got from y'all from Tyler, Texas to Oswego, Louisiana. The rate count y'all gave me, it said it was 20 totes. What's on the trailer is 20 totes. But I just realized on the bills, and he just showed me, the bill saying it's supposed to be 60 totes. It's in your email. I sent it to you yesterday.
Okay, that's their confirmation. Alright. I'll take care of it.
Okay.
I'll let them know and then take care of it.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thanks for letting us by touch and let me know when you're empty.
Okay, bye-bye.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, so that looked like it's gonna take care of it. So let me go ahead and set up, get back in, and keep it moving. Rolly. Yeah, it's only 20 back here, man, so I don't know. Thank you.
Did I get you?
Yep. You need me to sign it for you?
Not really.
Okay. Your name was, what's your name?
Mark?
Mark? Okay. So that bridge down there closed?
Yes, sir.
I gotta figure out how to get back over to 90 then.
Best way would be make the U-turn, go up to Ames Boulevard, which would be the second red light, take a left, and bring you up to 90.
Okay. Alright, y'all, so we just empty. We just unloaded over here. Now I can't go that way. That's the easiest way to get to where I need to get to, because it's the no truck route. So I gotta figure out how to get around this. He said bust a U-turn down there somewhere, so that's what I'm about to have to do, man, with this big old trailer. Dude said stay to the right as far as I can, and then bust a U. If I didn't care about getting no ticket, I'll go back that way. I ain't gonna even lie, but safety first. Legal, beagle. So let's see how this go. Rolly. Alright, y'all, so we made it here. We in Gossamer, Louisiana. We coming to pick up a load. See, the issue is, man, my appointment time ain't till 1. That's what the agent that I booked this load said. But I'm just coming in early, about to just check in because my clock already started. So if I'm gonna wait, I might as well wait here, kill some time just in case they want to get me loaded early. I don't know. We gonna see. I don't know if I need to have on no PPE, no hard hat, and all that stuff. I don't see no signs, so I'm about to check in. Check in, sure.
Y'all doing all right, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, who you drive for, man?
Landstar.
Landstar?
Yeah.
You in the reefer or dry van, man?
Driving.
You got low locks or straps?
Strap.
Put the 2 straps on back of that trailer for me.
Okay.
Where you heading to with this load, man?
Laredo.
Laredo? All right, my man, go ahead and bag into door 15. Slide your channels back, chalk the wheels, and disconnect the radar.
Oh. Alright, y'all. So we gotta get in door 15. So hazmat Lizzo. Love them hazmat loads. I gotta slide my trailer right quick. Slide my tanners right quick. Then put a chalk in there, they gonna load me. They pretty quick here. I done came here like one time last year. This one of my favorite loads to get me to Laredo. It don't pay great. It pay cool. It's $3,000 a mile. Like $2,000, so I'm about to slide my tanner, get loaded, and catch y'all. We gotta get our paperwork and start rolling. Rolling.
1 hour later.
Woo! Man. Alright, my Rolly Gang family. Today ended up being smoother than what we expected. I'm back here putting on a packing slip. Then I gotta seal up my trailer. Make sure I got all my bills and everything. Yes. Got everything on already. Man. So now, man, we about to start rolling. But I'm about to go to one of my favorite little spots. You're a trucker. You already know about this little spot in down here in Louisiana. It's in Genie, so shoot. Alright, y'all, we at one of my favorite eateries in Jennings, Louisiana, and Louisiana period as a trucker, unless you can, you know, get in New Orleans and get some real good food. It's called the Bourbon Street Cafe. Bourbon Street Cafe, man. Every time I come on 10 between Houston and Baton Rouge, I stop here at the Bourbon Street Cafe. So I'm about to pick up my food and I'm gonna show y'all what I got after that. Rolly. Alright, so this is what I picked up. Picked up me some gator. Gotta love me some good gator. And I picked up me some shrimp. I forgot what they call this shrimp, but picked up me some gator and shrimp, So right now, yeah, we got 5 hours and 54 minutes till I gotta take a 30-minute break. So I'm trying to make it to Baytown. It's some cheap fuel there at the Pilot, Flying J, or whatever it is. It's like 2 hours and 22 minutes. So I'm trying to beat Houston rush hour traffic. It's like I'm gonna get there at 4, get fuel. It's gonna take a second. Then I'm gonna try to drive to get past the Houston traffic because I don't know how long it's gonna be. I don't want to be sitting in traffic for like 30 minutes, an hour. If I can just push and get a little further than it, and then take my 30-minute break. So that's what we about to do. We about to hurry up, get our stuff, get up out of here. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get over to, Baytown, Texas, to get some fuel and keep it moving. Rolling gang.
Not too shabby!
Yeah, fuel here is $2.41. It's the cheapest fuel right now. So we pretty much done. It's 4:27. I don't know how bad this traffic gonna be. If it's gonna get worse. Should I take a 30-minute break here? Or should I just keep it moving? Try to get past Houston. Get through that traffic. I don't know, but I'm trying to fill it up, top it out right quick. This load only going like 600 something miles. I think it paid $2,000. Guessing it's like $3 a mile. So just trying to get some fuel, man, to finish off the day. Once we leave here, man, we heading over to Laredo. I'm gonna take my 10-hour break in Laredo, and I'm gonna probably end the vlog off when we get there. So let's get through this Houston traffic, y'all. Let's keep it moving, man. Let's keep it rolling with TV, baby, rolling. Alright, y'all, so I didn't close out the vlog yesterday good, but we made it to Laredo, Texas. I met my delivery. It's like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Waiting for them to open up the gate so we can get unloaded, pick up our next load, and get to the crib. So I just want to say like, share, subscribe. Thank you for rolling with TV. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for rolling with TV. Turn me up, rolling game. Don't turn me down.